And here we are. So some couple of weeks we just got the new number 2 carburetor, and the point of this video, I guess, would be you can't always win. So I really had a good, excellent, I would say, grip on the screw there. I was really in center almost perfectly, but it won't bunch, you know. It simply wouldn't release. So knowing that it will be very hard to remove the rest of the screw from it and not destroy these threads, I even look for, thread maker, that bit, and for that thread, and it's some 0.5 pitch. It's like 50 euros. So for 35 euros, you just need in one moment to decide, fuck it, we need to go other way. For 35 euros, I found in France this carburetor, and it's good to see how good cleaning we did on this one, as this was less perfect, but we will, you know, we will clean it. And we have, for example, choke wheel here lefted. That's nice, but I was kind of hoping they will leave in the mixture screw, but they didn't. Where the fuck is it? Okay, they remove it, so now you can see the hole without the mixture screw, and those are that threads that we couldn't remove that fucker from there. And yeah, we will need the new mixture screw assembly on this carb, and everything else should be just a good cleaning preparation, and we can move on with the carbs, put them back on, and everything else. But yeah, sometimes it's just like that. You need to, you know, get over it, admit the defeat, and, you know, simply make the decision. The best part about this is that I found them for 35 euros a piece in France, and it was really nice deal. So sometimes you just need to go online, see options, and make decision. I made decision that we will change this one and simply install this one back in. Okay guys, in next video we will assemble these carburetors, as we are not in hurry until we fix this valves here, adjust the valves that we are now in process. See you guys.